Hey everybody, in today's video we are going to use Freepik's AI image generator to create stunning social media content for Instagram, Facebook, YouTube or TikTok, all for free, and let's just get started. For that, you can head over to your browser and go to freepik.com image generator, which is this one right here, generate image, and open up your image generator site on your screen. And once you open it up, what you need to do is you may log in or sign in for a free account and you get 20 free generations per day. If you're not logged in, you can create an account at the moment. Now, once you do so, what you need to do is you need to write in your prompt. So here you can type in what you want your social media post to look like. For example, if you want motivational quote background with sunrise and mountains, you can just go over and be descriptive and include your mood, lighting, and color tones to match your brand style. So just go and write in your prompt in this box right here. Something like this. You can just go ahead and add in your description about your AI model for which you are going to upload on your social media. You can just go ahead and type it in and you can pick a style that fits your content. So if you want realistic, you can go to model and tap on it and select the option for mystic. Similarly, if you want to add style, you can select style option and select the option for realistic pictures if you want realistic photo, for example. And once you do so, you can go over and generate. So click on generate. And once you do so, in seconds, Freepik will give you multiple visuals to choose from, which should be perfect for social media posts, stories, or banners. So you can just go over and do so. And there we go. So this is something we would like. And once you confirm it up, you can just go and click this image, edit image option on your screen. After you do so, you can start by adding up your text or hashtags. We have this option where you can retouch, resize, add in different styles, background, upscale, etc. So you can add it up here. Let's add up a text. So you can click on this option called edit and there type in your text or hashtags or insert your logo. Something like this. So I added this text right here. You can just go over and save up the changes. Once you're happy with it, click on save. And you can even add your logo or adjust your brightness and color. So in order to adjust it, you can look out for this option called adjust. Click on it and select the option for light, expand it up. And if you want to expand your brightness, you can go over and expand it or select it up. Similarly, contrast and highlights, etc. as well. You can add icons or design the elements that will help to make your content look more professional and branded without even needing Photoshop or Canva. So just go over and do so. Once you're okay with it, you can just go over and click on save changes. So you can go over and click on the save changes option, and once you are done, you can look out for this download option at the top. Click on export and select the option for download. You can select your export options and click on download and confirm it up, and upload it straight to your social media. And that's it. So that is how we use Freepik's AI image generator to make scroll stopping social media content. It is very fast, free, and perfect for creative brands and influencer. So do not forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.